Con baby có một sách càng to rồi. Tổ bỏ ăn dài cho những sinh sẽ bé tổ mò dễ sinh nhớ cho bé mình thích cả bé tổ mò sai cao to thì rồi nó làm nhiều chiếc trò thì tôi chỉ to là lo thì tôi chỉ sáng to là có chỉ to chỉ to rồi thì mình sinh chỉ ok thì to.
What's up, mommy? Kayla, you wanna
Is this
order me
new?
a cake there? Or you wanna go with mommy? Mommy's gonna go first. Go first. After we go first.
Rồi, xả lương mi chả lọ. Đó. Mi chả lọ.
Well, you going back to it. You're going right. Keep on.
Oh, in my bracelet? What do you need a bracelet for?
You going right, Giselle?
Hold on. Caleb, come. I don't want to open. I don't want you to lose you. You will see what
Where's the blaster? Blaster over here.
You're so scared of the blaster. Yeah, we're gonna go. Where's Curtis? No.
Cái điều chế tôi chỉ
I bought you a black shirt. You want to wear your black shirt?
kidding. You want to go over there? Come.
We're right here. We're right here.
Come on, let it. Caleb, not so hard. Yeah, when you out there.
This way. Hey, this way. Bigger slide. Let's go. Down the slide. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Thấy chim mò á, chim mò cặp bắp bò á, chim mò, you through chim mò, nó có, okay.
Let I help you. Go, you go.
Espérate.
さあ、社員日本な。
Whoa! Mommy, it's not, I'm not scared.
What's scary?
Hermes. Let's go, Hermes. Let's go to the coordinates.
Whoa!
Okay, let's go change your clothes. Let's go wear clothes.
Go. Go, nah. Ah, nobody. Đồ trăm mỹ lọ. Một cho mẹ nó bên nó chỉ cho. Tất cả nó luôn. Nó on rồi cho tao luôn cho tao ngắt chỉ cho. Lúc lâu rồi mẹ này lúc chỉ mà chỉ cho có thể chắc chắn thì làm tạo được bao giờ có cho nó rồi có mà có giờ tròn một được cho nó có luôn lúc là trên nó cái tổ mặt khu lực cô nó là cái trước rồi nó ngồi sang chi bèo là một chiếc thuyền nha
Take a ride down the rail. You are traveling on a quarter-scale, exact replica of the 1893 Huntington train. Sit back, relax, and let your imagination run wild as we roll through the heart and soul of one of California's most beloved family destinations. Whether you're here for pumpkins, corn mazes, or simply a taste of the countryside, this train ride will carry you through stories, sights, and the spirit of a farm built on tradition and fun. As we leave the station, look around. There is one rule on this train ride. You must wave at all the people you'll notice on this journey. Give your most excited and enthusiastic wave as you travel through acres of Dellosso family farm that stretch out before you, dotted with redwood trees, olive, fruit, nut, and citrus trees, green corn stalks reaching for the sun, and families laughing as they explore. Remember to wave. Dellosso Farm was founded by three brothers from Italy in the 1920s, whose love of agriculture and community brought this magical place to life. Originally one of the most modern dairy farms of its time, this farm has gone through many transitions in its 100-year history. Each season, the farm transforms into a playground for children and adults alike. There's always something new to see and do. As we round the bend, towering stalks of corn rise. Each year, the base is designed with a brand new twist, sometimes shaped like a giant tractor. The pumpkin in the design, and always challenging and fun. This is why we call it Pumpkin Maze. Dellosso Farm is more than just a destination. It's a living testament to the power of family, hard work, and community. Generations of the Dellosso family have worked these lands, each adding their own chapter to the farm story. Community involvement is at the heart of everything here. Who knew farming could be this much fun? Railroads put Lathrop on the map and is forged along the tracks that run right behind the farm. In the 1860s, railroads and rivers were the primary means of moving food supplies, equipment, livestock, and people throughout California. At the time, Leland Stanford was California's governor, a railroad baron, and the founder of the Central Pacific Railroad. His goal was to connect the Central Pacific Line to meet with the Union Pacific Railroad and complete the Transcontinental Railroad. The Big Four power tools at that time were just hard labor using picks, shovels, wheelbarrows, black powder, and one-horse dump carts. The town, now known as Lathrop, was originally called Wilson Station, which had a store and a schoolhouse. The railroad was a central feature of the new town, and a switching station was built. It was renamed Lathrop after Governor Stanford's wife Jane and brother-in-law Charles Lathrop. Lathrop quickly became a commercial success and built a roundhouse for train engines and blacksmithing shops, which attracted skilled workers who kept the trains and tracks in good repair. Mossdale Crossing and the completion of the railroad bridge was the critical final step for the western portion of the Transcontinental Railroad. The trusses of the river bridge can be seen from the farm and is where the golden spike was driven to commemorate the connection of the valley to the Bay Area by rail, September 8, 1869. The first train crossed the bridge on that day, which marked the final link in the construction of the Transcontinental Railroad. By 1871, the railroad carried so many passengers that the Central Pacific Railroad built a large hotel for meals and overnight stays. By 1879, Lathrop had grown significantly and had multiple hotels, restaurants, general stores, saloons, a school, several fire companies, a Wells Fargo office, and a newspaper called the Railroad Journal. In the 1920s, the Santa Fe Railroad double-tracked its transcontinental route in California due to the booming economy. This effort included updating the railway alignment and infrastructure near Lathrop. The 1920s through 1930s was a boom and bust economy. California's Central Valley's agriculture industry became a key factor for the town and its surrounding area as it expanded in the 1930s. San Joaquin Valley growers quadrupled their acreage, increasing the demand for workers, offering slightly higher wages compared to other regions. There were hundreds of thousands of unemployed Americans searching for work. During the Great Depression, train hauling became a necessity, many families struggling with poverty and unemployment. They often followed seasonal harvests or moved between towns looking for odd jobs. For unemployed workers, often called homeless, fighting the rails was particularly prevalent from 1929 until the outbreak of World War II in 1939. emphasize the resilience and resourcefulness demonstrated during challenging periods. Sometimes, if you're extra lucky, we might even see a giant real-life Union Pacific locomotive thundering down those very tracks while riding the Dellosso Express train. They're like grand old metal dinosaurs, reminding us of the enduring power and majesty of the rail. If you see one, give it a big wave. Sometimes if you wave with enough enthusiasm, the friendly engineer might even give us a toot of their horn. It's a secret language of the rail. You see a shared moment of joy between the train enthusiasts, big and small. Thank you for riding the rails on the Dellosso Express. Go explore the rest of Dellosso Family Farm's many attractions. Make sure to check the schedule for the big races and interactive parades in Teeny Town. New this year, Thrill Hill, an exciting tubing ride. As our train ride comes to an end and we return to the train station, remember to wait till the train comes to a complete stop. Please gather your belongings, line the steps as you exit, take a final look, and see the friendly faces waving, and wave back. Don't forget to visit the country store or any of the great food booths we have throughout the farm. We hope you'll share your stories and photos and carry a piece of the farm's magic with you.
That's another one.
Có
What's a toy?
cứ được có tăng lại.
You guys want to go ride these?
Kê đỉnh. Hai.
Yeah, change your table.
Sẽ có một lại chứ. Mình chỉ sẽ bỏ cửa. Tích cho nó mà bỏ cửa sai rồi. Bỏ cửa mà ô chìm là còn ta bỏ cửa nhưng tích cho nó bỏ cửa mà rong ta léo bỏ cửa mà rồi lấy lùa anh chỉ chơi anh chính cho son tháp bắt đầu kết tàu lùa hả lùa mà không có hay cứ cho sẽ bao cứ của cho anh thả chỉ tàu kề bao cứ nó mà ta tỏ cả con xin nữa một chỉ nọ mà tăng cờ lên rồi mà rung cường rồi cũng một sâu đó sắp cờ mà có cứ mình đâu cứ bởi vì một tuần này rủ cho sẽ ngon bọc cửa bàn to lên to ít cho ấu ít cho ilu xin được bọc chụp bộ còn non táo ấy cho nó ốp lâu chi lô rồi bọc chụp bộ cho nó ấu ilu aluminium rồi nó chỉ mà cho tôi cho nó sẽ tính chế sâu sai cứ mà cho ôi lô lên xe lơ có con lùm màu nữa tay lù lô lệ nhìn trái trắng nhìn trái chứ tàu kìa cái phần mà cái cho nó tàu lo bắt cứ nó chỉ tăng luôn tàu một nó bây giờ cho lại bên mong họ bây giờ lại khơi cho thoát từ khơi thì người dân rồi sẽ là có gì nhiều tích cho nó nhiều mà cô sát trong lỡ rồi có ai ở trên sổ tía luôn
Hey, you was out first, and I had like people behind me. I caught up to him.
So you want to get down? Get down? Did you want to get down or did you want to go? Go.
Hold on to the swing.
Ladies, you want to go too?
Please hold on to the swing. Not there.
Oh yeah. Okay. You want to slide?
Tôi chỉ được thay phôi tổ đó bàn tận đó cái thay phôi tôi chỉ được ở đây.
cho mà sắp bọc cửa mà xa lên xa rồi
Dạ, vừa có tới vừa có
mòn chè tỏ luôn xong rồi sau rồi sau nó còn bọc cửa
Go fast. Go fast. Hurry, hurry.
oh
That
Again?
Claire,
Again? No.
Claire,
Look, Claire's gonna go.
That is too high for
Claire, come in this.
Go that way. Go inside.
Are you go this? Sao có bà ở nhỏ nhỏ trắng rồi à?
Can you move a little bit? If she's gonna come down, she might hit you. Hello, can you move a little bit over here? So that way when she comes in, she doesn't hit you. Thank you.
Okay, down here.
Good, yeah. Whoa.
Oh,
Look right here.
Daddy right here. Let me sit. Let it go.
Help you in there. Fast. 1, 2, 3, go. Hands up, hands up, hands up.
oh, là lột thở tại lô ơi.
Okay, guys, say cheese. Cheese. Oh no. So when you guys grow up, you guys can look at your pictures. Okay, mommy here. Mommy said go to change diaper. Hurry, hurry.
Mommy, but why is there? Oh no.
Stop and we'll get you like here.
Ôi, này nó bé tuần dữ vào, có tao đâu dặn tôi.
Chẳng có nó phải lùi.
Đâu có chồng yêu cả. Đâu có chồng nè.
Tuần chủ của mình tôi giặc rồi.
Và cái ta bé tuần dữ bé tao sen tao dặn tôi cái thầu bé tôi lì bé.
Có thô về tuần chủ rồi. Cái bé tuần chủ sao cú cú hả? Ở tụi nhiều nặng ở lúc sau cũng ý dạng.
Say hi. Hi, Grandpa. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Claire. Hi. So we're at the pumpkin patch.
Ô, cái lưng chế. Nè, ai của nó có tự nhau có tàu ra tàu trên.
Wow, that is.
Ah!